Can you see these brows? Oh my god. Hey y'all, it's Brianalynn and my brows are in need of much help. I'm really embarrassed to even show you guys. There he is! And welcome to my channel where you will find lifestyle, DIY, and beauty. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning and subscribed, then you are a part of the Bestie Squad. So hey girl, if you too would like to join the Bestie Squad, please be sure to subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Why wouldn't you? So today I am here bearing it all. As you can see, their face, brows are needing help. They're in dire need of some maintenance and much love. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I take care of my brows at home. And as a bonus, to make this really interesting, I'm going to be tinting my eyebrows for the first time at home using the Just for Men. I usually use my hair color whenever I used to color it. I would just go ahead and slap some on. That way it matched, but I don't color my hair anymore. Now we have to find other ways. Hi! Yes, I'm all in your face. Hi there. Okay, so I went ahead and zoomed you guys in so you can see exactly what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. Now that you're closer, you can see how my brows looking crazy, right? But we're gonna fix it, so it's okay. So I have my handy dandy mirror here, and the first thing I'm going to do is cleanse the eyebrows. So I'm going to take my Micellar Water from Tarte that I received in my BOXY charm and a cotton round, and you're just going to cleanse your eyebrows because you want it to be clean and free of bacteria. So I'm just dabbing mine on. My skin and my rosacea like to come out and say hi. And it's that time of the month for me, so my skin is looking a little crazy. So excuse the blemishes, okay? I'm going to take my e.l.f. Instant Lift pencil and just draw a guide on the bottom and the top. So we're not filling it in, we're just giving ourselves a little guide to know how much hair we need to take off and keep on. The next thing I'm going to be using is my facial razor or facial shaver, whatever you want to call it. I went ahead and ordered on Amazon a whole pack of 60. Whenever you use one, you want to throw it out and not reuse it. If you save it and reuse it, it's gonna have probably rust on it, bacteria growth, and it's gonna be super dirty. So that can also cause irritation on your skin, and I don't want that for you, girl, okay? If you have not watched how I clean my brushes video, I talk about this and on your skin and acne and the causes of it, please check it out above. So let's go ahead and start. I have my razor here, and how we're gonna take the hair off is we're going to go the same direction of the brow hair. Mine is growing out this way, so when I take it off, use my razor. So when I use my razor, I'm going to go this direction with it. So I like to just put my finger here on top, raise it up, and begin to shave. Please be careful when using a razor. Take your time, go slow. You don't want to go against the grain with this. You can easily cut yourself, and it's probably going to hurt. Whew. Do you see how nice and crisp it is now? So I'm going to take that same cotton pad I have that has the micellar water on it, and I'm just going to wipe away the hairs that I'm taking off. Yes, it's looking so much better already. Don't mind the redness, okay? And whatever hairs are left, like I have some right here that the razor's not picking up, that's okay. We're gonna go back and tweeze them later. So now I'm going to do the top of my brow because, you know, I'm a werewolf and just grow hair everywhere. So you want to clean it up and make it nice and crisp. I'm just going to go downward strokes with the razor. I've been meaning to do this, but I really wanted to like grow them out so I could show you guys how to do it. Oh, this is so satisfying to see all the hair just go away. So I do have a little bitty hairs right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pluck them. I also received this in the BOXY charm, but any tweezers will do. Go in and get those little stubborn hairs that don't want to leave. I'm gonna just take a fluffy brush to dust off all the hair. Do you see how clean that looks compared to this one? So I'm just going to get the little hairs that grow in between my brows because we don't want a unibrow, unless that's your thing, girl. I'm not judging you. Do you? But me personally, I don't like it. So I'm going to take mine off very carefully. I don't really like to mess with my brow hairs here in the front too much just because I do like that area to be a little more full. It's more so just cleaning it up here on the bottom and then here in the middle. So while this brow gets a little break, I'm gonna go ahead and do this brow. The same exact thing we did on this one, we're gonna do on this one. All right, so my eyebrows are done. I went ahead and cleaned the rest of them off. They're about as even as I can get. Like I said, my eyebrows are naturally just really thin. And now it's time to tint. I'm using the Just for Men Mustache and Beard. So I got my medium brown because when I was watching other people's videos that have used this, they say that it comes off very dark. So I'm hoping that this is not too light, but at the same time it's dark enough to where it matches my hair and not have me looking crazy. So this is what comes in the pack. It has the developer and the color, gloves, instructions, and the mixing tray, and then also this brush. But since we don't have a beard, we will not be using this today, so that can go away. What does this say? Yep. Okay, we don't need those anymore. Basically, it's similar to dyeing your hair. If you've ever dyed your hair, you know that the color comes in the box and then the developer. Since I'm just doing my 2 little bitty eyebrows, I'm gonna put little bitty dots in this, mix it up, and then we are going to start applying. That much. Literally a little dot. So that's the color and that is the developer. So whenever you're mixing any type of hair color, you always want an equal ratio of developer to hair color. Just a tip for you guys. I did not read that in the instructions, but I have my cosmetology license, so I know a little bit. No, really I do. So you're just going to mix that up until it becomes a paste and all the color and developer is mixed. Smells pretty good. This smells better than the hair color I used to use. I used to use the Revlon one that's like $4 at Walmart. Well, I'm letting that set. On Amazon, it's like $8. I bought this, I believe, at my local grocery store, Acme. It was $12. The only reason I didn't buy it on Amazon is 1, the reviews were trash. 2, I don't know if you've noticed this, but Amazon sells counterfeit items. They don't really do a good job of weeding out the real from the fake. So I didn't want to take my chance and be sent a counterfeit of this, only because it's a chemical reaction type product and I don't want to burn my skin. I don't want my eyebrows to fall off. I don't want anything crazy. And the reviews for this were kind of scary. One man had like burns all over his face. So I wanted to avoid that because more than likely those products they received are either old, expired, or they're counterfeit. So just be careful and beware. Read the reviews. That's the safest bet. So before we start applying the color, I'm just going to outline my brows in Vaseline and using my Q-tips. The Vaseline will help keep the color from bleeding, so I don't have too much skin staining around my brows. And also you want to protect the area because remember, we just finished shaving it. That area is really prone to having some sort of chemical reaction right now. So you're just doing the outline as if you were outlining with a pencil. All the areas that you just shaved, you're just gonna put the Vaseline there to help protect it. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Can't really see it, but it is there. So we're gonna go ahead and start applying our color. Yay! So I'm excited for this. Like I said, I never used this product before, and I'm just going to start by doing small strokes. So that eyebrow is done. I'm going to move on to the next one and see if we can see any color changing on this one while I do this one. So I'm just brushing it out. Now we put the color. So when I get to the front of the eyebrow, I just want to feather it on. That way it's not too harsh. Now that I look at it, this is a lot of product just for 2 eyebrows. So those little dots I did at the beginning, maybe like a 1/4 of that would work because this is a lot of product. There's no way I'm using all this on my brows right now. I hope it darkens as it sits because it looks pretty light right now. So I'm gonna go in with another Q-tip and just clean up the areas where it got a little bit out of the brow hair zone. It's on, I set the mixture aside. Now we are going to wait. So let me grab my phone. The box says to have it sit for 5 minutes, but I'm not gonna do 5 minutes. I'm gonna do 2 minutes to start, and then I'm gonna wipe it off and see how dark it is, and if we need to keep reapplying and applying it, we'll do that. Like I said, better safe than sorry whenever you're using a new product, especially one that I keep seeing oxidizes and darkens really fast. I don't wanna walk around with my brows looking crazy and outrageous. So we're gonna be on the safe side. So now we wait for 2 minutes. Okay, I'm seeing it starting to change and darken, so that is great. Really have to use the bathroom. I have 9 seconds. Do you think I can use the bathroom in 9 seconds? Okay, I'm back. And my eyebrows have not fallen off yet. So my eyebrows are looking pretty dark, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it off. I'm going to take a cotton round and my micellar water again, and we are going to wipe it off. Wow. Guys, y'all. Do I have a full brow? Ooh. Oh my god, y'all, what? It's a little tingling, little tingling there because of micellar water. Do y'all see these hairs? Do y'all see these brows? What? Did I just find my new favorite thing? Do you need your brows done? Come and see me. Girl, I will do them for you. Well, that is surprising. I was not expecting that. I have brows now. Like, you can really see my brows. That's not mind-blowing to you? Girl, look. Y'all need to stop wasting $30, $40 at the nail shop, getting your brows tinted when you can do it at home easily. Under 5 minutes. That's insane. Oh my god. And I must say the color is not too bad. I am so glad that I didn't get a darker color because this is actually pretty nice. I'm gonna test it out a little bit more for you. I'm gonna reapply it and see if I can get it a little darker, like here on the edges. So we're gonna do our routine all over again. We're gonna take our Vaseline. Isn't this the cutest? It's the little Vaseline. I'm just gonna go ahead and reapply that around my brows. Now I'm gonna take my little solution. By now it's turned color, so I'm just gonna hurry up and put that on, and we're gonna do it for another 2 minutes. Okay, that looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and set my timer for another 2 minutes, and we're gonna see what happens. Y'all, but that first application, my mind is blown. I'm talking like, now I have a way to have my brows filled in and not do them every morning. Do you know how much time that's gonna save me in the morning? And why am I just figuring this out? Why am I just doing this now? I'm a little mad at myself. Like, come on. Girl, this changes the game, okay? I'm talking when I go on vacation, now I can have brows as soon as I come out the water. This is truly a game changer. And if you have the same problem as me where your brows are super thin and you can't really see them and you have to fill them in, try this at home. Tag me on Instagram. Comment down below if you tried this. Has it worked for you? If not, let's figure it out, because sis, I just did this on camera for you for the first time and I'm blown away. But I don't know, that's just me. Maybe you don't like my brows. You know, nothing personal. Although I do take that a little personal. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna tell my boyfriend to let me do his brows. That's how excited I am. We have about 30 more seconds. Actually, should I add another minute? I'm gonna put it for another minute. So in total, that's about 5 minutes. First time was 2, this second time now was 2 minutes, and I added another minute. So 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. It's time. All right, how do I turn it off? Stop. Okay, I guess it's off. We'll see. So I'm gonna take a clean cotton round once again with micellar water on it. As you can tell, there's no product. This is a completely new one. And we're going to wipe off our color. Wow. Are they perfect? By no means, but you can definitely tell a major difference. And I'm not mad at it. So for all you girls out there with full brows, I'm coming for you.
Okay. I discovered the secret.
And actually, I like this a lot more than hair color. Like, this seems to be more pigmented and it didn't really stain my skin as much. I mean, it stained it like here on the wing, which I don't mind because I wanted that, because then it looks like my brows are a lot fuller than they are. Okay, I went ahead and zoomed you guys out so that I'm not all up in your face anymore. Let's talk about it. Full brows, who is this girl? So as you can tell, I love the results. They worked out great. This is my new way of doing my brows now. I did read that the results last anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks. I wash my face every single day, twice a day. You should too, but we're not gonna get into that right now. That's a whole nother video. So I'm probably gonna guess that they'll last about 2 weeks or so. I don't see them lasting any more than 3 to 4 weeks. Please try it, and if you do, once again, be careful. Do it on your own, at your own risk. I am no professional eyebrow tinter-ish person. From someone that didn't have no eyebrows, girl. Like, there's no argument. I didn't even put, there's no product in my eyebrows right now. Please feel free to share this video with a friend. Maybe you can get together and have a little eyebrow tinting party, you know. Tag me if you do. Tag me on your results on Instagram. Comment down below. Have you tried this? Will you be trying this? And if so, let me know because I want to see your results. So please be sure to join my bestie squad by subscribing down below. Let's be besties. What are you waiting for, girl? Come on, join the squad. Be sure to look out for my next video. I did do a little Marshall shopping. So stay tuned if you want to see what I found at my Marshalls, because as you know, Marshall shopping is always an experience. I love Marshalls so much. On my next one, guys.